this video is a continuation of the previous video where we did the changes to this, and we had a long list which had like more than like 300 and around like 350 or 360 something like that items, and I had set the limit to 50, the item count, where delegation is not supported. If the delegation is supported, it will filter and bring whatever the result is. So now we have okay, so the original code was let me see, I have it here. Oh, okay, I have changed the code, but we were making changes, so because it is doing a search on the first name based on the it's like in type of search. If we see here, John, first name ANNE, we run this, so this didn't bring the result. So now first we will refresh the data source because I had added some data, more data. So the first we are going to see the different filtering techniques. So the first one which I have is sort by the created date. So I have this list here, and I have created date. I have sorted it in the descending order. So if I say older to newer, it will come here. And if I, before making any changes, if I search on ANGE, so it returns, so we are going to make change to the query. So this time, so I'm going to do where created is less than today minus 1. So anything which got created day before yesterday, I made all of these. I made one video yesterday, so there was nothing day before yesterday. So this should, unless I entered something, it should not bring anything here. No matter how much I search, it should not bring anything here. So because the created date is less than today minus 1, and created date for any of these is today is 8/12/2021, and there is no data of before yesterday, like before 8/11. So let we say this created is less than or equal to today, then yes, we will find the data. And if we say created date less than today, yesterday, there will be a lot of records once again. So this is filtering on the date. Then the next, then next we'll pass a hard-coded value of date. We have finished this. We don't need, it's a copy of this. So we are passing a hard-coded value of 10, 10, 20, 20. So here, if we put it here, of course everything will come because the created date I just created yesterday. So everything is after the year 2020. Oh, that's the long time. The Corona year, 2020, will always be remembered by Corona. So data will come. If I say less than equal to today, and then sort by we have already covered this in the formula. I've shown you this. Now the next thing is created date is less than, we'll put a text search box 1. In this formula, we'll move this little down, we'll insert another so the name of this is text search box 1, and the text name of this will rename to text search box 2. Okay, now we are going to put this formula for the gallery search, gallery items. The created date is less than or equal to the value in this. Now let's run this. There is no value. Let's put some value. 1, 1, 20, 22. So everything was created before this. This is some space. So everything was created before 22. Let's put 8, 12, 20, 21. Anything got created before today? Yes. Anything got created before 8/11? No. Yesterday was 8/11. So nothing was created before yesterday. So this is this formula. Now we have done this. Now between two values, okay, and I've changed the okay, this I've left as is. Now the change which I've done, put this formula there rather than typing everything in. This here. Now the created date should be greater than the value in the first search box and should be less than this. So greater than this and less than 8, 15, 20, 21. Now a lot of them should come. Now 8, 11, between this and this, yesterday to yesterday may not be a good choice. Yesterday to today. Okay, so between, that's the function, between two dates. Anything got created between two dates is this. Then the last one is I'm going to sort by the same thing, except that the sorting is based on created in descending order. So one more entry came. As soon as I removed this to 12, it was gone because there was one item which got created in, and the most recent item came at the top. Why? Because I have this condition here, created date, descending, decreasing order of the date it was created. So these are some of the techniques of filtering. Yeah, that's it.